Okay, first grade, just like we did for addition, I want you to practice using your subtraction in real world situations. That means if I'm working or I'm living out in the world as an adult, when am I going to need to use subtraction? We use it all the time. Okay? So for instance, let's say that in our classroom we have 86 pencils. We have 86 pencils, but then we start using them throughout the day, and by the end of the day, 29 of them are dull. They're not sharp anymore. So how many sharp pencils do we have left? Well, when you hear that word left, like how many are left, it means we've taken some away, or some of them have gone away or popped or broken, okay? So that means we need to subtract, minus. We have 86 sharp pencils, but 29 of them get dull, and we have to put them in the dull box. How many sharp pencils are left? So we have 86 minus 29. I'm going to ask myself the question, is my number on top bigger than the number on the bottom? Nope. So I need to make it bigger and move over a 10. 16 minus 9, 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 86 sharp pencils, take away 29 pencils that got dull, we have 57 sharp pencils left. Okay. How about this one? Let's say that there's a donut shop, maybe Krispy Kreme, so delicious. Or Bakersfield, so many good options. Okay? And let's say at the donut shop, they start off at the beginning of the day when they open, they have 473 donuts. It's a lot of donuts. But then they sell, throughout the day, they sell 227 donuts. Okay? How many donuts do they have left at the end of the day? Well, they started with 473, but then they sold 227. That means those 227 went away. We don't have them anymore, so we have to subtract. 473 donuts minus 227 donuts that we sold equals, I'm going to start with the ones. I'm going to scoot my 3 over just a little bit. Okay, start with the ones. I'm going to ask myself the question, is my number on top larger or greater than the number on the bottom? No, 3 is too small. I need to make it bigger. So I'm going to take one of my 10s from here, so I only have 6 over here, and I'm going to move one of them over here. Now I have 13 minus 7 equals 6. 6 minus 2, 6. Take 2 of them away. So I had 6. Took 2 of them away. How many are left? 4. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. So at the end of the day, the donut shop will have 246 donuts left. Okay. I'm going to give you some word problems right now that I want you to solve, and you have to figure out how to solve them. Okay. Let's say that at the zoo, they're selling some balloons, and they have a shop full of balloons. Okay? And let's say that they have 63 balloons, but then accidentally 28 of them pop. How many balloons are left? They started with 63 balloons, 28 of them pop. So are we adding or subtracting? Solve that for me and write it down. Let's say that there's a big concert in Forsyth Park, and there are 284 people at the park. But then some of them get tired, and 156 of them leave the park. How many people are still at the park? Are we adding or subtracting? We had this many people, but then some of them went away. How many are left? Let's say that I had 562 ice cream bars. Maybe I own an ice cream shop. I don't know. It's a lot of ice cream bars. But let's say, it was really hot. And let's say 239 of them melted. How many ice cream bars do I have left? Okay. I want you guys to solve these word problems for me. Okay. And then I want you to try to come up with your own word problem that is going to use subtraction. Practice again as many problems as you can so that you feel really comfortable with doing your subtraction with a word problem. Okay? Try to come up with your own and take a video and put it on Seesaw, or you can solve these and solve more of them on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. Post them on Seesaw so I can check on how you're doing. And then we'll take our quiz for tomorrow. Okay? You're doing so great. See you soon. Bye.